Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a restaurant website in Wix. We'll walk through a simple, clear path to get your restaurant website up and running fast using Wix's built-in tools, so you don't have to start from a blank page. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pick a strong foundation and customize it into something that reflects your menu, brand, and atmosphere. First, head to your Wix dashboard and click on Create New Site. This opens the setup flow, where Wix asks how you want to begin. You can absolutely start from scratch if you prefer full control, but I recommend choosing a template. Templates give you a polished structure out of the box, with pages, layout, and sections designed specifically for restaurants, cafes, and food businesses. Next, in the template browser, find and open the Restaurant and Food tab. This filters the library to options tailored for restaurants, bakeries, coffee shops, and more. Take a moment to browse. You'll see various aesthetics like modern, rustic, elegant, and casual styles. Look for layouts that highlight your menu clearly and make it easy for customers to find hours, location, and contact information. Hover over any template to reveal the View button and open a full preview. This is your chance to explore how the homepage flows, how menu pages are laid out, and how the online ordering or reservation system feels. If the structure fits your needs, click Edit to open it in the Wix editor and begin making it your own. Inside the editor, start replacing content section by section. Swap in your restaurant name and logo, update the headline to communicate your cuisine type. Replace placeholder images with high-quality photos of your dishes and dining space. Adjust colors and fonts to align with your brand. Update your menu with actual dishes, prices, and descriptions. If your template includes online ordering or reservation features, connect them to your preferred system. Add your location, hours, and contact information. Use drag and drop tools to rearrange elements and hide sections you don't need. That's how you create a restaurant website in Wix. Thanks for watching.